Okay, guys, the rice is done and it's so yummy, yummy. So delicious. You guys are invited. Oh. Sweet. This is fungi. I love fungi. Using fungi to cook rice. Oh. Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm cooking a jollof rice with vegetable. Welcome my fans, welcome my people. I'm gonna show you how to cook a jollof rice with vegetable, and it will be a mix of chicken and dry smoked fish. So now I'm just frying the chicken. I'm gonna add mixed herb, and I will add rosemary to it. So you can see it. I will mix it together. Oh, the aroma was so good. It has a nice aroma. Now I will add the onion. If I add the onion, I'm gonna stir. Stirring it. I'm gonna cover it. Okay, this is the face of what I'm cooking. So now I'm gonna add the dry fish. This is my dry fish. I will add it. I will add fungi. I'm cooking with fungi, guys. And I will add the chicken. I will add the chicken. I will add the spring onion. Guys, I love cooking vegetable. You see? Because with vegetable, it's a healthy food. Guys, you people can see it. It's very, very healthy. It's good to be eating healthy. When you eat healthy, it reduces high blood pressure. It reduces cholesterol. It reduces diabetes. It reduces cancer. So I'm encouraging my fans to be eating healthy. It's very, very important. Eat mainly vegetables, fruits. Any type of vegetable is good because it will make you to be looking younger than your age, and at the same time you're not gonna be sick all the time. So that's why always eating vegetables, whether frozen vegetables or fresh vegetables, anyone you can reach is still also good. Okay guys, I will add a vegetable. I'm adding the vegetable. I will stir it and allow it to boil. Cover it. Okay guys, I'm gonna add tomatoes to it. Chopped tomatoes. I will cover it. Okay. I'm gonna add the rice now. Guys, look at how it is. So I'm gonna add the rice. I'm adding the rice. I will stir it. Stir everything together. Okay.